Having trouble getting into Warzone Mobile because it's stuck on the loading screen? No sweat, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this hiccup on your iPhone. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure your internet is up and running smoothly. To do this, open any browser on your iPhone. Now, navigate to any website and see if it loads properly. If not, don't panic. Just toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. After that, check if the issue persists. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that does the trick. Solution 2. Try using a VPN. Using a VPN can often resolve this problem. I recommend trying out the 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN, which is free and backed by Cloudflare. Of course, you're free to use other VPN apps if you prefer. Simply connect to the VPN server and see if it resolves the issue. Solution 3. Offload Warzone Mobile. Head over to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. Scroll until you find COD Warzone, then tap on it. Next, hit the Offload App button, followed by Offload App. The app will be offloaded. Now simply tap on Reinstall App and Warzone will start reinstalling. Once it's done, check if the issue persists. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. If all else fails, resetting your iPhone settings might do the trick. Open the Settings app once more. Scroll down and select General. Next, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, choose Reset and then Reset All Settings. Confirm your action by tapping Reset All Settings. Your settings will be reset and hopefully Warzone will work smoothly afterward. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the issue of Warzone Mobile getting stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for tuning in.